Hello everyone, Nadeem here with PC.Solutions.Net. So today I want to talk a little bit about Windows 365 and also something new called Azure Virtual Desktop. So Windows 365 uses a group of services that basically is virtual desktop infrastructure. You may have heard of VDI. So it's infrastructure that Microsoft has bundled together, abstracted from the user, and they use this to provide Windows in the cloud to everyone. So anybody can go in there, provision Windows 365. They don't have to worry about all the session servers and the connection brokers and all this other stuff that goes along with VDI. All you need to do is select what performance level of a machine you want, and boom, it does everything else for you. Now, since this infrastructure was already there now for Windows 365, Microsoft has extended it a little bit, and they're calling this new service Azure Virtual Desktop. So for corporate IT departments where they don't want to worry about creating those session brokers and pool of all these servers and services, they don't have to, but they still maintain the flexibility of being able to control what level of machines they want to have. So basically a lot more flexibility with none of the restrictions of Windows 365. As you may have seen in my previous video, I talked a little bit about, I actually chatted with Mac about Windows 365. It was upcoming back then. Well, it is out, it is available, but for consumers, it's a good fit. You don't have to worry about anything, you just create it. But for enterprise and maybe some service providers, Azure Virtual Desktop is a better fit because it still abstracts a lot of the backend services from you, but it gives you a lot more flexibility as far as what performance level of machines you want. It's much more granular in that way. So that's something new that Microsoft just announced. And if you are running a enterprise IT department, that might be something you want to look into. The other good thing about Azure Virtual Desktop is, whereas Windows 365 is restricted to Microsoft-only technologies, so all you can use to connect to Windows 365 is remote desktop protocol. But if you're using Azure Virtual Desktop, you can actually use other third-party connectivity protocols, for example, from VMware or Citrix. These are the two technologies supported by Microsoft in Azure Virtual Desktop right now. So look out for that. If that's something of interest to you, play around with it. It should be available now for most tenants. And I just wanted to release this and let people know that it is available. And I think this is going to lower the barrier of entry for a lot of different departments where they want something like this. They want to implement something like this, but they don't want to worry about all the intricacies with running the infrastructure and then billing for that infrastructure and all that other stuff. So this basically reduces the price point, makes it easier to understand, both from a pricing perspective and also from a technology perspective. So everybody, I'll see you tomorrow. Until then, everybody have a great day, and check out Azure Virtual Desktop, and you can just Google it. It should be readily available, built on top of the services that Windows 365 uses. So yeah, we're Microsoft is right now firing on all cylinders, releasing a lot of stuff. I think this year there's a lot more to come, so stay tuned. Everybody have a great day and be safe out there.